Alright, tonight I'm scrapping this. This is a can opener made by Hamilton Beach. It's got like a weird little handle on it so you can go running on the beach with it. I don't know. I remember when the guy gave this to me to scrap it, he told me that it's one of them weird ones that cuts on the outside of the can. And he said it's almost impossible to line the can up. And he said it hardly ever works. And I'm not gonna try fixing it. I wonder what kind of motor's in this. Oh, shoo! God bless you. There we go. Can openers usually have pretty decent motors in them, and this thing has some decent weight to it. Weighs a little over 3 pounds. I think I got that one. I think I got that one. Oh, there's still a screw in this one. Should be the last screw. Now, oh, that's all metal. Oh, that's all metal. Oh, I see how it's held on. Right, because at my landfill, I gotta pay to throw that weight, the plastic away. Can't always recycle it. There we go, nice little piece of tin. Plastic. Yeah, it's a decent little motor in there. I think I'm gonna be able to cut the copper out of that. Definitely get the copper out of that. Let's get the rest of this metal out of here. Separate it from the plastic. And it's gonna be, I'm gonna get these out. Or no, that can stay right in there. No, I'm gonna need that out. This will get the commuter out of the center. So I can clamp that in the vise. Commuter, I'm going to call that copper bearing, even though there's probably no copper in it. At least I think there's copper in that. You would think. Unless this is the magnet. No, there's got to be copper in that. Let's cut into it. No, she's dead. She's dead. It's not looking like there's any copper in there. There's copper here though. And this piece just like this, I'm going to throw this right in my tin bucket. Unless, looks like we got some casting. So I'll be trying to get this casting out too. Magnet. 10. I just need to get like a spring tensioner. Ah. Now I've got it. Yeah, and that'll do it. At least you think I would have did it. Oh, Hamilton Beach makes a pretty rugged can opener. The pressure of the spring on the screw is making it difficult. Clean this up a little bit. We got a flathead to get out. That's all you gotta do here, separating the different metals. And what is holding this in? And we got these little E-clips. These just pull off. They got to come off on the inside too. Ah. A nice little piece of cast aluminum here. Cut these wires as close as I can. Actually, I can get these screws out. Got my fingers all slippery from the grease. Once again, we'll pull these ends. These will pull out. Make sure you protect your hands and your eyes. You only get one set of fingers. Sometimes it helps if you cut for the wire to pull out easier. Got it. So now you separate your copper and your brass. Don't lose it. tin pile, cast aluminums, and I think that's just going to stay in there unless it'll pop out. Of course we'll pop it out. And now this guy. Do you see here the little cutout here? This will slide right through easily. Clamp it in your vise. Set it on top of the vise. We're going to use the vise as a spacer. And we are out. We are done. So, got my steel pile. We got the copper pile. Clean this up for the people at the scrapyard a little. See, that's copper. For some odd reason, wearing gloves makes your hands a little stronger too. Because you're less likely, you feel more confident. You're not so scared that you're going to hurt your fingers. There you go. Make it a little cleaner for the scrapyard. Now, one piece of plastic hanging me up. And there you have it. That wasn't too bad. A few minutes worth of work and got a bunch of scrap. Screws too. And there you have it. So there was 0.18 of a pound of copper. Not too bad. About 1/10 of a pound of number 2 insulated. Oh, forgot to tear it. About 1/10 of a pound of cast aluminum. The brass isn't going to register, and we got a bunch of tin. Wish I had a tin bucket in here. About 1.5 pounds of steel. So that wasn't too bad. Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.